Failed edges are a serious problem. This is one of your greatest areas for failure on a paver project. When the edge restraint fails, the whole patio starts to shift, open up, allowing more dirt and debris into those joints. And if you're in a freeze-thaw cycle, you are going to get lateral creep. The fix: remove the failed section, reset the pavers, and install our Quickie Hybrid HD edging. It's a restraint that locks everything back together, even on vehicular applications, open grade or dense grade. So if you want these tools to make it easier, faster, more professional, be sure to check us out at pavetool.com or give us a call. If you have any questions, make sure to drop them in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks and videos just like this. You can sign up for our tip of the week here.
You can watch more of our videos here.
You can subscribe to our YouTube channel here.
And make sure you shop our products at pavetool.com.
If you're located in Canada, you can shop at pavetool.ca.
Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching. Looking forward to seeing you next Friday.